What does it say in the front? It says Super Seth Hunka.
Can I open it?
You can open it.
I can't open it.
Yeah, it's open there at the bottom.
This?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa, what is that? Keep opening. Whoa, what is it? Keep going.
Open it up more. From in there. Is that a bag?
Wait, how to open this?
You need help?
Yes.
There you go.
Wow.
Ooh. Open it up. What is it?
Wow.
Oh, what is that? Superman?
No, it's cake.
It's a Superman back cape.
Oh, wow.
Wait, it is cake.
Wow.
Very cool.
You know what that's for?
Huh?
You know what that's for? To carry your toys to Nana and Papa's house. And when we go to Tijuana to go visit Tio Mike and Tia Cari, we can...
Read this toy.
Okay. Oh. You're getting too far away. Or too close.
Can you say thank you to Tio Mike in the camera?
Hey, look right here.
Okay, wait.
Look at me.
Wait, after this.
It goes in here, silly. Look. Right there. There's a bag.
Huh? Silly.
Wow. Here, can you say thank you? Look at the camera.
Thank you.
Who?
Mike.
Whom else?
I don't know.
Look, Seth. Look at the camera. Say thank you.
Thank you. He's silly. Ah!